Hello everyone and welcome to another Pins Across the World video and our home away from home. So we are at the Davy Crockett Ranch at Disneyland in Paris. So we're at Timber Trials, I think it said. Oh sorry stairs. We've only just arrived and we've been up since 4, it's a bit early. So it's very nice. It does have a very much Wilderness Lodge feel about it from Disney World in Florida. So we've got the car parked there. This is our chalet. Lots of other ones there. So it's really quite cute. It feels very much sort of like you're away, like you're on holiday. So you have a barbecue available. We're not entirely sure what this is. I think that's where you put dirty laundry, or that's what Alistair said. And you have a little bit of like a decking area with a picnic bench so we could sit out. It's been a little bit rainy if you see our videos either before or after, so I don't know what order I'll still put them up. We had a horrendous journey down from where I live and where Alice lives down to Kent to get on the Challenge Hall, and it rained non-stop, and it looks like they've had a bit of rain here, but it's okay today. The weather's quite nice. So I'm going to take you into our chalet. Alistair, with the current situation of COVID, is sanitising everything currently. He has a germaphobe, so he came prepared. It smells very clean, almost a bit hospital-like. So I am in our sort of living room kitchen area, and I'll flip the camera now so that I can show you around. So this is where you would enter our chalet. As you can see, we have like a view outside to the picnic table, really quite nice. And then this is the room. So there's a TV, as you can see, just here, and a nice mirror, some storage space and a landline phone. I'm guessing that would get you through to reception or guest services if you need it. There's heaters because we're in Paris, not in Disney World, and I think that looks like AC. And you've got some more windows. We have a nice little kitchen table. Alistair came prepared. I have some food too. And then you've got like very much kitchen area. So this is almost like self-catering, very much equipped for that. So it has a, oh my gosh, it's spraying so much sanitizer right now. So this, I'm guessing, is a dishwasher, and then you've got a nice stove so you can cook with your fan. There's a microwave, a kettle, a toaster, and a coffee making machine. We have a sink, and then there's plenty of storage space. And also, if you go into these cupboards, this is all nicely equipped for you. So you've got mugs and glasses in there. I think this one I looked in has plates and bowls. What have we got in here? We're going on an adventure together. Oh, colander, water jug and pans. It's like a magical adventure in itself. Doesn't look anything exciting in there. In this one, again, nothing exciting, but you've got storage space to be able to put things. Cutlery in the drawer and a chopping board too. Pan lid. Pan. In here we have a bin which has got a liner in it ready for us. Another cupboard for storage, and in here is the majority of the cutlery. It all looks really clean inside, so that's quite nice. My buzz like your water bottle, and then most importantly, look at these magical things, our magic passes. So when you then come in, this is the master bedroom. So it's got a double bed in it, lights on either side of the bed, and a nice in-theming wall thing. That looks like there's charging points down there. Yeah, and it's a European socket. Another heater, just in case it is a bit cold. Hi! Travel day outfit, and I'm not wearing makeup because, like I say, we've been up since 4. This is your safety deposit box, so I have not read the instructions on that. It might be here, how to use the safe. So that should be quite straightforward, but it gives us somewhere safe to keep it. It's quite difficult to breathe at the moment with the amount of sanitizer Alistair sprayed. This is like the ensuite bathroom. So we have a, ooh, that's nice, like the radiator for towels to go on. In the shower, I can already see there's toiletries. Look at this magical bottle. I'm so excited. So a nice standard shower to be able to use there. It also has a toilet, and look, even more toiletries. So shampoo, and a soap with the Mickey top. It's good to be back in the magic. So that's the one bedroom there, and it's got a sliding door. Magical. Here's Alistair. Finished sanitising?
Not yet. I'll wait till you finish your video so we get you.
Oh yeah, we've already gassed. Alistair said something about this. So this is our key to the cabin, and you also need to turn it for power.
Yes.
He's nodding at me, affirmative. So you've got light switches there. And again, another charging point is the European socket. Oh, another bathroom. Another bathroom in here. Oh, more toiletries. So magical. Hi. So yes, more toiletries. Doesn't everybody just love it when you get the Mickey top on a bottle of shampoo and conditioner? And another, again, shower. It's quite nice and warm in here as well. Another towel dryer. More shampoo and another shower. So that's fantastic. We can shower at the same time. There's nothing really under the sink. There is an extra toilet roll there. I don't know what's in here. Let's look. Oh, so that room there, I hadn't even realised, is literally just a shower, but then it has a separate toilet in here. So that's good. You've got some beautiful, are they squirrels? I think they're squirrels. It's not really focused very well. Squirrel themed. We always love a squirrel because it reminds me of a squirrel. Coat hangers, so storage there. And then in here we have 3 single beds. So 1, 2, 3. We also have another radiator and more in keeping with the theme, and beautiful Davy Crockett artwork. So that's cute. Some storage space up there. We've got a window to outside, and Marshmallow, who's the car. More storage, and then here we have, oh, extra bedding, quite just stuffed in, and coat hangers and everything there. So that is our room tour. We'll go outside because Alistair's out here. He can appear in this video for more than just a moment, and I think we'll probably continue this with a resort tour.
Yes.
Is that
Later on.
Yes, not right now because we've been up since 4. I am desperate for tea. He probably wants a nap. I don't know what our plans are really, but you'll be able to see those in the vlogs about our days in Disneyland. But this one is going to be about, as I say, the cabin and then the resort Davy Crockett Ranch.